What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, the video quality on this camera, I am no longer using a GoPro camera. I'm actually not even using my phone camera. I'm using a Canon EOS 200D, also known as the RebelSL2. For some reason mine says EOS 200D when most of the ones in America say RebelSL2, but that's fine, it's just a word. Everything exactly the same. I actually had to change the quality settings from 50 frames per second to 60 frames per second. I just had to switch the video format. It's really easy to do. But I'm excited to make some videos with this camera, so stay tuned. Well, as you see guys, this camera does a pretty good job. I still got to tweak around with the settings and whatnot, but as far as just being out of the box, having about 10 minutes with playtime with it, or tinkering around time, it does pretty good job. So today's not going to be a detailed video, it's just to show you that I have a new vlog set up and hopefully you guys like it. So about the Volkswagen, we had contemplated on selling it and selling the Mini Cooper to fund a new project or just get a new vehicle. Still up in the air, not sure. We'll see what happens. As for the Mini Cooper, I really want to put wheels on it. More than likely they're going to be some cheap wheel like ESM or ESR or something like that. Yeah, you can flame me in the comments below, but it is what it is. What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you guys think about this camera? I think it's amazing. For the quality, not the quality, but the price range, the quality is really good. And the other day when I washed this car and I told you it was gonna rain, it did not end up raining. So the water that I left on the car, hey, get that stick away from the car. Hey, put that down. Good girl. So the water that I left on the car dried. So now it's got some spotting, which is fine. It's fine, I can just wash it right off, it'll come off. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this camera, and they're doing more construction behind me. I wanted to show you guys this camera and the quality. I'll put links to it in the description below, but I got this camera, the body itself, for $300 and I think it was $80, Amazon Prime. Of course it came with the lens cleaners and battery charger, 64 gigabyte SD card, which is a nice thing to get with a any camera. But I also got a dual lens kit. They call it a starter kit or something like that. It came with a 10 to 18 millimeter IS STM lens, so it does have stabilization. That's what the IS stands for, internal stabilization. And I'm just playing around with the zooms here. And if you guys are wondering why I got such a wide angle lens, the 10 to 18 lens is a wide angle. It's actually like a super wide angle, but I got that because this Canon is a crop sensor lens. And without this, the kit lens, the 18 millimeter standard on the kit lens, it's 18 to 55 I believe, it's super close in your face. Whereas with a crop sensor and you add this wide angle lens, it kind of makes it normal again. It doesn't give you that GoPro effect, the wide angle effect. But she's running from me. She thinks it's a game. Hensley, what are you doing? You're running?
Yes.
You're running? Hey, stay still. I want to see what. Yeah, you're running. Yeah, this camera's pretty good. And the second lens that it came with was a 50 millimeter lens, which is 1.8 aperture, which is really good when it comes to just taking some cool shots, cool pictures. Gives you that bokeh effect in the background that everyone likes. So anyways, let me know what you guys like about the quality of the video. This is 1080p at 60 frames. I'll probably export it into 30, but I'll let you know here on the screen if I did that or not. So, you guys stay tuned. Next video will follow, episode 2 of the 5 questions I get at Cars and Coffee events, or any events when it comes to Adam's products. So thanks you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment below. We'll see you on the next one.
It's caught in the crossfire.